In this file here, I'm trying to create a AKS or Azure Kubernetes services using CPUs. And if you are interested, let's say, to use the GPUs, you have to use, you have to run, let's see, this command here, create Azure, and you can see here, the node size has to be, let's see, depends on the GPU you would like to use. Let's see, and this is let's see the most important one. And the next step is that you have to use I mean run this command kubernetes kubectl apply, and this will try to install, let's see, or add the NVIDIA device plugin. And plus the next point is you have to have, let's see here. In the last video, I have shown you deployment and also services, and you can also use it in one file. For instance, just add this three hyphens, and it will consider as new file. And now, if you see kubectl create or apply this file here, and it will create the deployment and how many replica, for instance, replicas here we have one, and also it will create the services. But here it's in the GPU, we have, this is our image, and this is the resources, use NVIDIA, and and yeah, this is only the, let's see, the point that you would like to add. And if you are interested, this again, this one here, it's only CPU. And if you are interested in a GPU, you have to use this one here. I mean, just replace these lines from here and replace it with this one here. And of course, you have the ability, the possibility to use mini and max, and but it depends also on the code, because is the GPUs is costly, is so try to avoid maybe just use mini count is one, and node one count, for instance, one, and the maximum one is three, and or maybe you can just use it maximum one is two, or and this one here is also is required. I think that's it for today, and thanks for watching, and see you next time.